I'm back again with another Squarespace platform update. This update actually rolled out in March of 2024, but it was a quiet rollout, and just in case you missed it, it's a good one. We can now remove the header and footer from a page with no code. Sort of. I'm here in my Sway template for service providers. If you are interested in creating your own website and want a great starting place, I'll drop a link to my website template shop below. All right, so this new update is so awesome. It's one of my favorites. If we go into any page now, and just for grins, I've got this Instagram link in bio page, and I used to have to write code to remove the header and the footer. This one has both an email newsletter sign up and a true footer in the footer. But now all we have to do is go into the page settings and remove them. But stick around because there is something you need to know. So let's go in here. And now we have this new option under page settings called navigation. We can turn off the header and the footer, or one or the other if you just wanted to remove one, and click save. And now you'll see the header and the footer are gone. However, the announcement bar is still here, which I find really silly because if you remove a header, you want to remove the announcement bar too, I would think. So I'm going to drop some code below for you. If you want to go ahead and add code to remove the announcement bar, you'll go back to your page settings, hop into advanced, and then just paste in the code below. That's going to tell Squarespace to not display the announcement bar just on this page because we're putting the code in the page settings. So let me save that. Here's what I'm looking for: a nice clean link in bio page with no header, no footer, and no announcement bar. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up as it helps other people discover my videos too. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.